What is up mga ka-tech shop? So for today's video mga ka-tech shop, I have here a Vivo Y11i. And as you can see, the problem is on the screen. So I had to replace the LCD to fix the issue. And if you're interested in this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And you might want to check the description. I put in all the links for the tools that I've been using. So you might want to check it. Let's go! Alright, once again, this is a Vivo V11i with an LCD problem. Um, Obviously, customer dropped the phone and it resulted to damaged LCD. So I ordered LCD online and I got the LCD, so we'll have to replace this LCD. So before that, let's do some testing and make sure verify the issue is on LCD. So if you plug in the charger, you can see there's a kind of display on the screen, but obviously there's an issue there. See, and I can see some scratches and cracks on the screen. So let's go ahead and replace the LCD. Let's unscrew the back cover. And don't forget to like and subscribe on my YouTube channel so you are updated on my videos. And also check the links on the descriptions. You might want to order the tools that I've been using in my repairs. So just check on the description. So here's the new LCD, and it does fit with the phone, so we can replace it with a new LCD. Alright, before we attach it to the phone, let's do some testing and make sure display is working and the touch is working. Let's power it on. Alright, it looks like it's working. Let's test the touch. And the touch is working. Alright, so we can replace the LCD with this new LCD. Let's go ahead and remove the battery, remove this LCD, and disassemble the old LCD from the phone. Let's go. So let's remove this sticker that covers the flex cable of the LCD. And then we'll apply heat on the edges of the screen. So it's gonna loosen up the glue that holds it. And then I'm just using a prying tool blade. So if you're interested in where to order these tools, just check on the link on the description. Now we're gonna clean the edges, remove the old glue, and then we'll apply a new glue. And I'm using B7000 glue. So let's remove this protector on the new LCD. It's just a plastic. And then there's another sticker there. We need to remove. So there's actually adhesive on that area of the flex cable. It's gonna hold the screen, or it's gonna be attached to the screen so it won't keep on moving. We need a flex cable to be stable as much as possible, because if it keeps on moving, it's gonna cause a touch issue on the screen, and we don't want that. Now we are ready to attach this new LCD to the phone. Let's insert the flex cable and then properly align the LCD to the frame. And then I'm just using a wet tissue to remove the excess glue, then attach the flex cable at the back and the sticker, and put some glue so that it's gonna hold the battery, and then rubber band to hold the LCD in place, and wait for an hour. After an hour, that should be enough time that the glue dries up and holds the LCD. We can now assemble the phone, put all the pieces back together, and then be careful in attaching the fingerprint flex cable, because you might damage it. And then clean the camera with Q-tips. LCD is working, everything is working. We can now attach a new tempered glass for customer satisfaction. Patch is working, display is working, volume and power is working. So we are good in this phone. Job is done. Like and subscribe to my channel. Let's go.